Here's what we're doing here, and today we are unboxing the Mii Fighter 3-pack. ToysRus exclusive. My ToysRus had a whole bin full of them, so I bet you if you went right now, you could still get it. So yeah, we're going to unbox this thing in time lapse. First, let's look at the back. Level up to 50, obviously, and I'm gonna take a picture of it in a box because reasons. Okay. And yeah, so let's get into this. Here they are. The Mii Brawler, the Mii Gunner, and the Mii Swords Fighter. Base are really smooth. Very nice, very nice. Do a 3D view of all three. Don't know if you can see that very well. And we got the Brawler. Beautiful. We got the Sword Fighter. Again, sword's very bendy. Be careful with that. And yeah, that's the unboxing video. So I think I hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next unboxing video. Bye bye.